A laundry service is buying detergent and fabric softener from each supplier. The supplier will deliver no more than 300 pounds in a shipment. Okay, so they tell you something about the weight, but it says no more. Each container of detergent weighs 7.35 pounds, and each container of fabric softener weighs 6.25 pounds. So because we got two different stuff, so let's use a different color. For the container of detergent, I'm going to choose the green color here. Okay, each container of detergent is $3.50. Each container of fabric softener, I will use the blue, 6.2 pounds. The service wants to buy at least twice as many container of detergent as many container of detergent as containers of fabric softener. Okay, so I'm going to say okay, so this is a detergent, container of detergent. Okay, I'm just using it so you guys can, or so we can organize better. Okay, but twice as many. At least twice as many. Alright, so now they give us the variable. Okay, and then once we know which variable goes which, then we'll write the inequality. So let D represent the number of containers of detergent. Okay, so D stands for, okay, so it's green, right? Green, yeah. D equals the number of detergent container. And S for fabric softener. Oh, wrong color. Okay. Alright, so we got everything. Which of the following system of inequalities best represent this situation? Okay, so starting with the red here, the very first thing, no more than 300 pounds in a shipment. Okay, so that's weight. This is number of containers. So because each container of detergent weighs 7.35, now we can write this as 7.35 pound per detergent container. And we said there are D detergent container. When you multiply, these two units will cancel. And we do the same thing for the softener. For the softener, it weighs 6.2 pounds per soft container. And because we declared the variable as number of soft container, you can multiply it and then cancel out the undesired unit. So how does this tie with the no more than 300 pounds? For that, we just have to write less than or equal to, because the word no more is you can have up to that amount, but not beyond. So less than or equal to 300 pound, and that's good because we got pound plus pound is less than or equal to pound. Okay, so that's one inequality. So from that alone, we might be able to eliminate the choices. So if I just make it clean, 7.35 plus 6.2, 7.35D plus 6.2S is less than or equal to 300. Which one do we have it? Okay, that one we have. This one we have. We can eliminate choice C and D based on the first one. Okay, so we need to translate the second part. It said, the service wants to buy at least twice as many containers of detergent as a container of fabric softener. So that means the green, we got D containers. wrong color again. Yeah, D container for the number of detergent, or D stands for the number of containers of detergent. Okay, here, right? Twice as many. So is at least twice. Okay, if it didn't say at least, then we can say equal. But it's at least, you can have 3 times as much, 4 times. So greater than or equal to, which one? 2s. Softener. Okay, so detergent is more than double the number of the softener containers. So these greater than or equal to 2s, we need this, and that works. This doesn't work. So the correct answer is A.